Okay. I think there's 5 in there, but there may only be 4 now. And they hardly even look like babies anymore. They're not fluffy or anything. They're just kind of, well, I can't tell if it looks better with the light on or not. They look like just little miniature versions of their parents. Their parents are right over there. Mommy and Daddy are all worried because I'm messing with their babies. Ooh, they're gonna fly. They flew! Holy crap! There's still 2 in the nest, but 3 have flown. I don't know what to do now. I don't think they're supposed to be out. Oh God, I hope I didn't mess them up. Oh no. Well, in my attempt to keep them safe, I may have actually driven them from the nest. There's one. I don't know where the others have gone. Mommy and Daddy are very upset. I better figure out what to do. Bye.